The concept I'll be talking about is FDI, and that is foreign direct investment. And foreign direct investment occurs when a company invests directly in facilities to produce or market a certain product in a foreign country. So we can say it's a business decision where it's a business decision to acquire a substantial take in a foreign business or to buy that foreign business outrightly in order for the company who is taking this decision to expand its operations, its products into a new region. You are trying to go international. It's international business. This is all what foreign direct investment means. And foreign direct investment could come in two different ways. It could be the green field investment or the brown field investment. So when it's a greenfield investment, the parent company it's entering into that new region and it's starting afresh. Is like starting from scratch. They are building from scratch. They are installing equipment from scratch, sourcing for skilled workers from scratch, and you know they begin the operations from scratch. The company will build its own facilities, buy its own equipment from the ground up. Why in the brownfield investment, the parent company purchases an existing facility or it leases an existing facility. All this is done because it wants to like move to a new region and expand its operation.